Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So today's video will feature some stunning short haircut ideas. The first one is of this two-tone blonde. It features blonde at the top and then moves into a faded undercut. And then the second one is going to be of this bob. So she starts off with a shoulder length bob, and then the stylist does end up cutting the hair much shorter. So she ends up with more of this classic neck length bob, loving the shape and the slight hint of color that she does have with this kind of burgundy brown. Absolutely love this haircut. This client, of course, has very thick hair, but you could achieve the same look with a thinner hair texture as well. So the next up, we see someone with thick natural hair, and the stylist does cut the hair down, and he uses the relaxer to cut the hair and make it straight. And then he is able to go in with the razor. So she does get her makeup done with this makeover as well. Does anyone else find that when they are getting their makeup done that you feel very relaxed? So in the end, she has this gorgeous pixie haircut. Very beautiful. And her makeup looks amazing. So moving into the next transformation, this one includes a bob. This client does have semi-thin hair. She is an older client, and you can see the hints of gray that she has throughout. Gorgeous bob with the salt and pepper hue. So moving into the next transformation, so we see someone with a long bob, and she has transformed her look into this gorgeous kind of split dye bob that she has going on, complete with bangs. So moving on to the next transformation, so with this one, she is going to be going from longer hair to shorter hair. She does have a natural curl wave to her overall texture. So the stylist has straightened the hair, and he is continuing to cut it into that bob shape. And she has a classic neck length bob. And she does also have a middle part with this one, which of course is very trendy. So next up, we see someone getting an undercut, and she has this gorgeous design. Then we get into this bob transformation. Very pretty. Love the final results. So she has a classic bob shape with this one. More of an angled bob, inverted bob. Alright, so moving on to the next one. This one will also feature an older woman. So she started off with long hair and he cut it into this gorgeous bob. Very pretty. I would actually consider this more of a pixie because it does have the best of both worlds. So moving on to the next haircut transformation. So she starts off with about shoulder length hair and he is using the razor to cut the hair down. And she now has this gorgeous angled bob. Her hair is extremely thick, very healthy. And this is a gorgeous shape for her face shape. So moving into the next hair transformation, she's going from long to short. And she now has a gorgeous bob. So he is finishing up the look by blow drying it and setting it with the spray. Very pretty. So next up we do see another older woman with kind of thin hair. So with this one, she is getting her hair colored. And I think usually with the older women, they like to do hair colors that kind of emphasize the gray. But we'll see what he ends up doing with this one. So it looks like he is going to be mixing in some type of reddish hue to this one. Oh no, he didn't. Okay, so this one, so yeah, he's basically just made the hair look more gray, which is what I said most stylists end up doing for older women. Kind of like a blondish, silvery hair color that she has going on now. Very pretty. And her hair looks so much thicker than it did to start. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next